Case-insensitive list sorting, without lowercasing the result? I have a list of strings like this. I want to sort the items, case-insensitive. So I want to get. But I get the opposite with sorted, or list.sort, because uppercase appears before lowercase. How can I ignore the case? I've seen solutions which involves lowercasing all list items, but I don't want to change the case of the list items.
In Python 3 SDR is Unicode, but in Python 2 you can use this more general approach which works for both SDR and Unicode.
In Python 3.3+ there is the str.caseFold method that's specifically designed for caseless matching. In Python 2 use lower. It works for both normal and Unicode strings, since they both have a lower method. In Python 2 it works for a mix of normal and Unicode strings, since values of the two types can be compared with each other. Python 3 doesn't work like that, though. You can't compare a byte string and a Unicode string, so in Python 3 you should do the same thing and only sort lists of one type of string.
You can also try this to sort the list in place. In Python 3 you can use
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.